Hey Bobcats, this is Mr. Peterson. I'm out sick today, so I wanted to make sure that we could just stay up and on track. And so I'm doing some Bobcat Builder problems in today's lesson. So let's start off with number 17 on the Bobcat Builder. So on number 17, they give you a table, which I'm going to just redraw real quick. We got X's and Y's, and we know that there's a 0 and an 8. We know there's a 1 and a 6. We know there's a 2 and a 4, and we know there is a 3 and a 2. And so we want to know, is this a proportional relation? The key way to look at this is the first thing is, since they gave you a table, look and see, did they give you 0? And they did. And so the thing we want to look at is, does it have 0, 0? And this does not, which automatically makes it not proportional. Another way to prove it, maybe with a little bit of work though, would be does it have a constant ratio of y to x? So if we look at that, we've got 6 to 1, and then we've got a 4 to 2, and those are not equal to each other. This is 6, this is 2, not equal, not proportional. All right, let's look at number 19, and I'm kind of racing through these just to, make sure that we're all okay here. All right, so this one says express 81.25% as a decimal and as a fraction. All right, so the first thing we want to do is, if it's in percent form, the easy way to do this would be to move the decimal 2 spots to the left, and now it is in decimal form. So 81.25% would be equal to 0.8125. That is 8,125 10,000ths. All right, fraction, a little trickier here. There's a couple ways to do this. This is how I'm going to do it. I know that the word percent means over 100. So, and I know that 0.25 is 1/4. So I'm going to rewrite this. This is 81 1/4 over 100. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this again. I'm going to use what I know here and make this improper. So 81 times 4, well, that is 324, plus 1 more, that would be 325. So that's 325 over 4, and then that's over 100 over 1. All right, now it's just a dividing fractions problem. So we want to keep, so 325 over 4. We want to change the division to multiplication, and then we want to flip the second fraction, that's its reciprocal, to use the official name there. This is one that can simplify. 100 and 325, they definitely have 5, but let's think bigger. They probably also have 25, and they do. 25 goes into 100 4 times. 25 goes into 325 13 times. So now we would just multiply across. 13 times 1 is 13. 4 times 4 is 16. And we are done.